please.
This is a Manhattan-bound 5 local train. The next stop is Noreen Avenue, 200.
What are you doing? Hey guys, it's me, Transfer Kid. I'm here leaving Wakefield 241st Street, riding on the 5. Riding local. So, the problem with the 5 train right now, the reason why the 5 train is in Wakefield is because of construction. Thing is, there was 5 train was having construction, and there was no 5 trains running between East 1 to 80th Street and Dye Avenue. So that's why it's running to Wakefield, facing the 2. I'm not sure what's going on with the 2 right now. So we're at Noreen Avenue.
This is a Manhattan-bound 5 local train. The next stop is 233rd Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
So, the announcements between the 5 and the 2, they're different because there's 2 different types of voices. 5 train has like a high-pitched voice, while the 2 train has like a low-pitched voice. So anyways, we're leaving Noreen Avenue, 238th Street. The stop is 233rd Street. In my first video, I actually did a video where I took the 2 train from 233rd Street to Gun Hill Road. That one was pretty good.
This is 233rd Street.
It had like about 42 views. I also did this game. This game is called Roblox. I actually had a lot of views. So thank you guys. So thank you guys for watching my gameplay.
Stand
The game
clear
I
of the
was playing
closing doors,
was
please.
called Roblox Subway Testing. It's called Subway Testing. There is no link. You could just download straight away. All you gotta do is type in Roblox, and you're gonna see and when you get to the website, you're gonna see first names, last. You're gonna see a whole sign up box where you sign up to make your own account. After that, if you play on PC, then that's okay. You can download Roblox straight away. But if you're afraid of viruses that's gonna get into your computer, that's okay. You can play it. You can play it. You still play it, but this time it's on phone. So we're entering towards. Yep. 527. Entering 225th Street. Fast. 5 train is always fast. Can't say no to the 5. 5 train is awesome.
This is a Manhattan-bound 5 local train. The next stop is 219th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
So, leaving 225th Street. actually gonna do more on the 2 and 5. When school starts, I might have my phone, and I might be able to do some action for the 5 and 2. 149 Street Grand Conquest. For the 2 train, 149 Street Grand Conquest is like the edge of the Bronx. And for the 138 Street Grand Conquest.
This is a
5 train make so much haste when it's leaving.
Stand clear of the closing
When
doors,
it's leaving
please.
138th Street, Grand Conquest. It makes so much haste. Yeah, so we're heading towards Gun Hill Road. I'm glad the MCA actually fixed the tracks for the 2 train, because whenever I'm at around 219th Street, the sound when it's pulling into the station gets me annoyed. It just sounds so wrong. Anyways, we're making haste towards Gun Hill Road. Gotta slow down. And I like when the 2 and the 5 trains pull in to Gun Hill Road as well.
Transfer is available to the VX49 Select Bus Service.
So this is where I'm gonna get off.
This is a Manhattan-bound 5 local train. The next stop is Burke Avenue.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Peace out, my fellow viewers.